And that's it, Barat officially done. Now it's time to go home, but first, adventure. And that's it, Barat officially done. Now it's time to go home, but first, adventure. I swear these late night drives hit differently after big events. Coffee break. Because without caffeine, I'm basically offline.
One hot coffee, please. And yes, make it strong enough to wake my soul. This coffee is so good. I might marry this, not the groom.
Next stop, perfume shopping. Because classy people smell classy.
Some perfumes whisper, some slap you. I need the classy whisper.
Found it. My vibe in a bottle. Perfect for tomorrow's function too.
Finally home. Now let's pray my puppy didn't break the house. Good news, my puppy didn't destroy anything. Don't forget to subscribe.